What if I told you that one of the world's most surreal landscapes is quietly hiding secrets that even most travelers never uncover? Welcome to Iceland. A land sculpted by fire and ice, where towering glaciers kiss black sand beaches, swinging geothermal pools bubble beside frozen waterfalls. But beyond the famous Blue Lagoon and the Golden Circle lies another Iceland. An Iceland untouched, raw, wild, almost forgotten by time. In this journey, we'll unveil the hidden gems most guidebooks never mention. From secret canyons and crystal clear rivers, to villages where the northern lights dance in total silence. So, fasten your seatbelt, or better yet, throw on your hiking boots. We're about to dive deep into the breathtaking secrets of Iceland you'll never forget. To truly understand the soul of Iceland, you must travel back over 1,000 years to a time when Norse settlers first arrived, braving treacherous seas to reach this desolate volcanic land. They named it Island, Land of Ice, not because it was cold, but to keep invaders away from its hidden riches. From those early Viking roots grew a fierce independence and a deep respect for nature, etched into the culture of every Icelander. Here, folklore runs as deep as the lava flows. Locals still speak of elves and hidden people believed to live within moss-covered rocks. Entire roads have been diverted just to avoid disturbing their homes. And perhaps in a land this magical, it's not so hard to believe. From ancient turf houses to volcanic steam rising beside remote churches, Iceland's history isn't trapped in museums. It lives and breathes in the very landscape itself. 5 must-visit destinations in Iceland. Seljalandsfoss Waterfall. Imagine standing behind a curtain of water as it crashes from 60 meters above. The mist soaking your skin and the sunlight creating rainbows through the spray. Seljalandsfoss isn't just seen, it's felt. One of the few waterfalls in the world you can walk behind. It offers a perspective that turns an ordinary visit into something utterly cinematic. Jökulsárlón, Glacier Lagoon. Where icebergs drift like ancient sculptures across a glassy lagoon. Jökulsárlón is where time stands still. You'll hear the creak of ancient ice, watch seals glide past, and feel dwarfed by the scale of nature's artistry. Just across the road, Diamond Beach sparkles with chunks of glacial ice scattered across volcanic black sand. Skagafoss Waterfall, a powerful wall of water. Skagafoss is both thunderous and hypnotic. Legend says A Viking treasure is hidden behind it. Climb the steep staircase beside the falls for an epic panoramic view, and keep an eye out for rainbows, often doubled in the misty air. Reynisfjara, Black Sand Beach. Voted one of the most beautiful, non-tropical beaches in the world. Reynisfjara's stark, volcanic beauty is unforgettable. Towering basalt columns rise like cathedral organs, and roaring Atlantic waves crash against the jet black sands, both haunting and mesmerizing. Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thingvellir is where Iceland's first parliament met in 930 AD. But it's also where two tectonic plates tear the earth apart, creating rifts, canyons, and clear, glacial water you can snorkel through. History and geology collide here in spectacular fashion. Two must-see hidden gems you must explore. Stuðlagil Canyon. Hidden deep in East Iceland. Stuðlagil Canyon remained a secret for centuries, literally submerged beneath a glacial river. When a nearby hydroelectric dam reduced the water flow, it revealed one of Iceland's most surreal sights, a canyon lined with towering basalt columns and turquoise blue water. Few tourists make it this far, making it a peaceful, almost spiritual escape. The best view? Cross the bridge and hike the East Side Trail. Your reward will be a jaw-dropping panorama with hardly a soul in sight. Vitsakur, the Dragon of the North. Off the beaten path in the remote Vatnsnes Peninsula, Vitsakur is a 15-meter high basalt rock formation rising from the sea like a sleeping dragon. Shaped by waves and wind, it's a haunting monument that looks like it belongs in a fantasy novel. Come at low tide to walk right up to it, or at sunrise, when the orange sky turns this lonely outcrop into something almost mythological. Bring your camera and your imagination. These are the places where Iceland truly whispers its secrets. No crowds, no filters, just raw, untouched beauty that stirs something ancient in the soul. Iceland isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. a pulse of ancient earth under your feet. A silence so vast, it speaks louder than words. From the iconic to the invisible, Iceland's landscapes don't just impress, they transform. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, hiking hidden canyons, or standing alone beneath a dragon-shaped rock, each moment invites you to reconnect with nature, with wonder, with yourself. So, which of these hidden gems will you explore first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this adventure with fellow wanderers. Until next time, keep chasing the world's quiet miracles. Because sometimes, the places that whisper leave the loudest echoes in your heart.